Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna prepare our fish known as kole kole. Join me. So first of all, we have to sharpen our knives. We have to use a sharp knife when filleting. But for today, we're gonna scale our fish. So scaling our fish, you have to start it from, you have to go opposite of the scales of the fish. So this is how we scale our fish. When scaling, you have to ensure the whole scales are out. This is kole kole fish and it has got little scales. It's easy for its removal. So, and after that, I will show you how to fillet a very good fillet from a whole fish. Alright? You have to scale it and ensure that it's smooth. It has got no the scaly part. So after that, you go now to the part of filleting. Filleting, you have to use a good knife. You don't have to use a wide knife. This is a good knife for filleting. So from your head, you can see as I cut through that on just top of that fin. Yes, a very smooth cut. After taking a smooth cut, you just look at the front. If I call front, yeah, at the side of the fish. Just make a little line on that on that fin. As you can see, your knife should be sharp, because when the moment you start using a blunt knife in filleting, sincerely speaking, you'll just get bad results. So you have to use a good filleting knife. A filleting knife is always thin, as you can see mine. So you go through all that bone. When you just cut, you just see your knife direct on the bones. You see? Yeah, so you smoothly fillet. Nothing hard here. Very simple and easy. Yeah. When you just continue filleting, yeah, you just get it out from the tail fin. There we go. When you do this, your fish will be nice and easy. And trust me, this process is not hard. Some people say that filleting is always a hard thing, but trust me, when you try this, go with me to this channel and you'll find easy way of filleting steak, filleting fish and other sauce. So after that, down there, you just go direct to that place, as you can see. Yeah, there's just a bone. Just go through with the bones. The bones will guide your knife, and you'll be guided by the bones how to fillet a good fish. As you can see, we're done with our fillet. Look at it, very fresh, very simple, very easy. Nothing is hard here, guys, right? you can see the silver lining on it. Looks really nice. We just get the scales out and it looks really beautiful. I think it's ready to go for the pan. See, nothing hard about it. So whenever you fillet, there's always a line there. You can see a blood line, and between this line you can see some bones. You have to take care of these bones. Sometimes people just cook with it and then say it's a fillet with no bones. This is just a little bones that they go from along the fish, and you can move them with a tweezer to move. So here, after filleting, you do the same to the other side. Now you get the bones, and these bones, don't throw them away. You just use them for soup or a stock. So storage, clean film, open it, wrap it up, good for storage, and you can stay with it you can keep it in the freezer for 2-3 days before cooking. Now let me show you how you prepare our fish. Once you take your fish out of a freezer or out of a fridge, make sure you defrost it. After you defrost it, when it's still fresh, please make sure you just pat it with a cloth, a clean cloth or a paper towel. Once you do that, for us we're just portioning it into two. Yeah, you see, you just cut it through that. After that, we'll just have a little cuts that they won't run down to the chopping board. We just do a little bit cuts on top, so that our marination or our salt to just go inside there for the flavoring agent. And then after that, we'll take you through on how we make our marination. Okay, Mine is just very simple. There's a lot of fish marination, but in our marination we don't miss something called lemon. Lemon is a good flavoring agent of seafood. So let me take you through on how we do our fish fillet, or how we cook our fish fillet. Guys, you will like this. So after the cut are done, what we should have is our lemon for the marinade. Simple. Garlic, obvious. I like garlic. In fact, in seafood marinade, marination. So after that, we squeeze our lemon, and for us to give a little bit flavor of herbs, I use dill. I like dill. It has got a very good and strong scent, and it's always perfect for fish. I like it for fish mostly. So if you don't like it, you can use other sources of marination. So after mixing it up, we salt our fish. This is sea salt. We season it. Yeah, I like using salt and a little bit of black pepper. We smear it smoothly on both sides. After doing on both sides, okay, I guess with a little bit, a touch of black pepper to give that little pepperish smell. I really love it. So we take our marinade, we smear on top of that our fish fillet. Unapaka tu hapo juu, and as you can see, it looks really nice, really looks delicious even before it's cooked. I love this. I love seafood. Karibuni Mombasani. Mombasani kuna samaki wazuri sana. It's always the best seafood place you can reach in Diani, in fact. So this is kole fish, very smooth. If you want to know more about fish, please click the subscription button below and follow my content each and every time. My cooking content will be wider and wider each and every day. I'll be posting good content for you to learn about seafood and any other source of food. So remember to subscribe and to like and to comment and give your compliments about the fish. If you haven't tried this, please try it. Trust me, you will love it. So after that, as you can see, you marinate it. After that, you just store it you just take it in a refrigerator for like, let's say 10 to 15 minutes for marination. Then take our pan, oil it up, right, and the fish is ready to go in, just like that. Very simple and very sweet, guys. Now make sure that you start from the back of the fish, the skin part, like that. I can feel the aroma of that herbs, the garlic, the dill. I guess you can just feel the smell while you are there. So for that, you just flip on your fish. You can see that crunchy part of that thing. That's the most thing that I always look in doing a pan fried fish. You make sure the skin forms a crust, a good crust. Look at that silver lining with this little bit of goldish of that, showing that it's really cooking very well. And make sure while turning it, don't be in a hurry of turning it. Sometimes you might leave the skin in the pan. So guys, as you're gonna do this, you just keep it low flame. And our fish is done. You just take it out, let it rest. It just took us around 7 minutes to cook this fish on the low flame so that it can cook well. So for us, we're gonna use spinach as a vegetable. We give it a little twist like a crisp spinach. So what we have, cut our fresh spinach, do our onions, fry our onions with garlic and onions, and make sure your onions turn golden brown like mine, the way you see them. Add your little garlic, give a good stir. Make sure that you can feel that aroma. Really looks delicious. After that, you can see very good golden brown. Take your spinach, washed spinach, and cut really nice. Okay. Yes. Then we do a little bit of stir. After that, definitely we go with our seasoning. I don't use soy sauce or what. Most of the time I use sea salt. It's good for vegetables. You can see that gone burn. Salt. And after using our salt, then our spinach, we add vegetable cream. You can use even a dairy cream. It's optional. If maybe you are allergic to dairy stuff, you can use vegetable cream. Always perfect, always nice. As you can see, right now we go for our plating session. Wow, and here we go. Thank you guys for watching. Enjoy as I plate, and be ready to try this recipe. Try to follow every detail into it. Trust me, you just get the best results. Let's meet in the next video. Thank you for watching as you enjoy pan-fried fish fillet. For good food, good mood. Thank you for watching.